There's one betting company that reached out to me. Even this evening we talked. This gambling company. They have been disturbing me. I told them I cannot. It's the followership now. For me, the way my videos are, it's not even followership. It's the amount of people I reach. If the amount of people I'm reaching are following me, I will have more followers now. Like on Facebook, I have 162,000 followers. That's on Facebook. On Instagram, I'm not sure, 40 something or so. I think I have 40 something thousand followers. Then on TikTok, I have about 59. You understand? So, but it's the reach. If I post a video, do you know what it means for 200 people to watch your video? Just 200. That's something. Just only 100. And there are some videos where we have 1,000, 5,000, 40,000, 80,000, 200,000. I have more than, I can't even count how many videos I have that have over 500,000 views. Yeah, but that's YouTube. YouTube pays the highest. YouTube pays the highest. So what do people want is the audience that you have. Then the other part of this one is one part of monetization, right? Personal branding. Then there's another part of monetization that people do. Most people, they are just interested in viewership. So for that viewership, that's why you see there are a lot of people who use me as content. They will carry what I have said. They will say all manner of things, good, bad, or ugly. Because they know that once they put my face, once they say something about me, it will trend. So, no, I don't have issues. The only control of that one is for me to be myself, to have my integrity intact. That's the only control for that one. There's no two ways about it. What do you want to control? You want to control people from using your content on the internet? No, you can't do that. So, except I want to do copywriting, which I don't want to do. That there's a benefit for it, but I won't talk about that online now. So it's too deep. It's too much of information. So I won't say that. No, it's not the monetary part. No, it's not the monetary part. I have all of that sorted, but it's not now. For example, if I do copyright, I'll just say this one in lighter note. If I do copyright, nobody can post my voice. I've done all of those things, but I don't want them working yet. So you can't post even my voice. If you post anything that is my voice, your video will be brought down. But I can't. There's a matter. It's too deep. There are things I will teach about it. I don't want to say it online. It's a deep matter. It's not now. Everything is strategic. There's time for everything. So right now, post my video all you want. Say anything you want to say. No problem. My goal is to be known. Right now, my goal is to be known. Whether you want to know me for good, you want to know me for bad, you want to know me for ugly, continue. I don't care. Just know me. There's no bad publicity. And the big companies, the people that matters, they know that there's no bad publicity. They are aware. Very much aware. Like 100% aware. All they need to check is your integrity. So when they check your integrity and they say, okay, let's do something together. I've turned down a lot of jobs in the last 3 months. A lot of offers. Not because all of them are bad, but they are not good for me. I have a direction. I'm headed somewhere. And I'm not in a haste. So you can't just bring different offers and just say I should just be taking them. I would end up getting out of my vision, out of my purpose. So. School advanced, yes, sir. Ja.
This one was talking about being advanced for them. But you didn't follow.
Who? This school. Yes. The thing is this, Daddy. In marketing, there are different strategies. There is the one where if you go to the person, you cannot win. You cannot win. You have shortchanged yourself. Then there's another marketing where you must go to the person. Now this one you are talking about now, sir. If I go to these people, like you said, talk about schools, right? If I go, I will be shortchanged. In fact, let me say the right way. I don't pitch. I don't submit proposal. Till date, since I started my life, I don't submit proposal. I am my CV. I don't come to you and say, thank you.
Somebody told them about you.
Thank you, Daddy. That's what you just said now. Some people don't know me yet. This is the goal, for me to be known. That's why I'm here. That's why my videos are out there. So when I want to, I said something to somebody of recent. The person saw me on Instagram, and the person wanted me to work with them. He wanted me to do advert for them. They will go talking. I now noticed that the person was asking question. And I now called the person on phone. I said, sir, I first asked him, can I talk to you on phone? He said, yes. So I called. So I said, sir, please, I would like to make something very clear. And I will say it in a very humble way. Please don't get me wrong. I just want you to understand. I said, sir, please, there is a stage where somebody wants to get a job or do a business. He will come and maybe lobby or submit a proposal or do an interview. I said, sir, no offense. So the stage I'm at now, the people I work with are people who already know what I can do. So when you come to me, you are not asking me, can you do this? You already know what I can do. So you are asking me, how much will it cost to do this? That's the stage that I'm at. And that's how we ended that day. So you can't be asking me, show me what you have done. Show me. No. That means you don't know me. You can't go to Cristiano Ronaldo, for example, and you want to hire him or you want to bring him to I don't know if you know about football, Daddy. You want to bring him to another club. You'll now be saying, how many goals have you scored? Did you do your research? How many Ballon d'Or have you won? Are you that very good? Are you high? You don't do that. You understand? So I'm not at that stage where I lobby. For example, because you said you talked about school, right? I have one school in Ogun State that I do stuff with them. Okay, is a polytechnic, college of education kind of. Yeah. I do a lot of stuff with them. At any time I appear at that school, they pay for my transportation, they pay for my hotel, they pay for my food, and they will still give me money. I do a lot of stuff with them. There's a school in Togo, it's a university, that I already start doing stuff for them from here. They already need me to come there. This ones I won't say the way it is, but I'll just leave it. But the other things they want me to do for them, right? Now, these people, I didn't submit one CV or no. They saw what I am doing. That's what I'm saying. That's why I say the goal is to be known. So whether you abuse me or you insult me or I don't care. The people that matters, they know what matters. So that's just the way forward. So for me, that's my own direction. Just know me for now. Don't worry. Other what structure have been put in place. Once you know me, the other structure will kick in. This one now is for me to be known. So any content I'm putting out, anything, just know me. That's all. I don't have stress. So I can spend so much money. There's one of my videos I spent the highest money on to advertise that video. I spent like 1.something million naira to advertise that video. If I tell you the amount of quality human beings I have met because of that video, the people, like the relationship and the contact that I have because of that video, my 30 million naira can give me those contacts. Access is everything. Yeah. Contact that I cannot even on a norm. Where I want to get their number. They see what I'm doing and they contact me like, hey, I'm so. I saw what you're doing. And I'm shivering like, why is this person calling me? And it's like, oh, I saw your video, keep it up. I just want to save your contact, different things they say. And I'm like, oh, wow. So that's the goal. So, but for other people, they just get a UK account, get a US account, and they start, when they are live like this, when people comment, they post video, they post anything relevant, anything entertainment, educating, informative, just so the more people view, the more money they get. They just get their dollar. There was one girl that I was on a live stream, 3:30 a.m. this morning, and she told me that, why you have 69,000 followers? She has 10,000 followers. She said, Mr. Raymond, you have 69,000 followers, and you are on 0 level. Me, I don't know what level is. I said, what do you mean by level? He said, you are on 0 level. You shouldn't be on 0 level. That you should upgrade. I said, what do you mean by upgrade? She started educating me. She now said, wait, is your account Nigerian or UK? I said, Nigerian. I said, oh. He said, but you still need to upgrade. I said, why? He said, if my account is on maybe level 10 or level 20, that people will be gifting me. In my mind, I'm thinking like, no disrespect to her. So I didn't interject. I just let her teach and tell me what she was telling me. But me, I'm thinking like, I will come on social media and the thing I'm doing is tap your screen, 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 share this, share the like, share. Me, I'll be doing share the like. Share the like to what are you sharing? What are they tapping? Then I'll not bring people, I'll not say, let's play match, we'll play match. They will not gift me. Oh yeah, gift. So the idea is just to use the people, make money, and you have worked for the day. So you came live. It's good though. There's no offense to people that do that, right? Like that's their work. But that can't be my work. I have too much to offer. I have too much to offer than to come up. Days will come where the same teaching.
They don't have much. That's just their main.
That's what I'm saying. That's what they do.
$10 or $100 in a month and a week. That's it.
No, there are people that $100 is not child's play. There's this young man. I think he's 20 years or 21 years or 19. Pella. That guy makes 3 million naira every time he comes live. The way I come live like this. 3 million. In fact, of recent, his account was blocked. And the kind of endorsement or like adverts he gets because of the reach that he has. Do you understand? There's one guy in the UK, I've been hearing about him. They call him TikTok King. These are people that their account is monetized. Like, they are not interested in quotes. Okay, let me tell you another reverse. That one, I can do that one effortlessly. If I come live now, yeah, I have 60,000 followers approximately right now. 60,000 followers on this TikTok. If I want to increase from this 60,000 to 100,000 in the next 1 week, that is not hard. It's going to cost me, let's say, I'm talking about legitimate followers. It's going to cost me like approximately 250K, which is not a problem. Do you know what I will do? I will just come here, arrange 5,000. How many 5,000 do we have in 250K? That's about 20, 40, that's 45, or 50 for 5,000. So all I need to do is to do giveaway and give 50 people 5,000. So today, I give maybe like 75K, 5,000. Say your account number, I'll give. People will be following. I will do screen record. I will do video of people I give. I will talk to people. Hey, where are you living? How's your family? Hey, yeah, okay, let me give you 100, maybe 90,000. Oh, let me give you 40,000. I would have done live for like 30 minutes. Then I will pick somebody, capitalize on the emotion, capitalize on the poverty of the person, and do a video of it and give the person 100,000. They say, that boy, they do give away. People will now start joining my life. I will not say, send your account details. You will see my life. People will be sending account details. The whole idea is to use the people.
I've seen that before.
So you will not give one person maybe 100,000. You do a video, screenshot it, put it everywhere. You give 100,000. The person's story will be very emotional. The boy was suffering. He was in the hospital. Yeah. That guy is a good. Before you know, I will have thousands of followers, maybe 10,000 for the first day. They will start sharing the video. The video will be trending. Then I will not do another one the next day. You give another maybe 120,000. Then maybe the third day you give. At the end of the day, you shall give 300,000. How much is 300,000? The whole goal is to use these people to build the account, to have followers, to be making more money on the behind. Then you build high profile, daddy. Then you now have people that will say, I like what he's doing. Let me support that girl that you gave 100,000. I like that girl. They will now reach out to me. People will now start giving me money to give to the girl. Now, or the boy. I gave maybe 120K, right? I will now receive maybe like 3 million. Is it not the one I tell you, you know? So I now come out and get together. All the gift that everybody gave, everything is 670,000. Meanwhile, I received 3 million. Out of the 3 million, after I've given her 600,000, I have another 400K now to do giveaway again. I'll continue giveaway. People that are collecting are happy, but I'm using them. After I do giveaway, when I finish giveaway again, there's somebody who I will now make sure I will target another person. Maybe somebody that just gave birth, the husband ran away. Oh, we're so sorry. Oh, my followers, please let's support. Let's give this lady.
International community can be very emotional.
International community very emotional. That's very powerful. Then I will now put my account number. People will now start giving. That's what most people do. So no offense to them. That's what they want to do. No problem. So when they say monetization is not just people view. There are different type of monetization. So this is one of them. So you do giveaway. How much is giveaway? For example, now there are many people now that 1,000 naira data is something for them. If I give 100,000 naira this evening, my followership will increase. You will see this live, you will be full. I'll just say drop your account details for data. I'll just carry my phone. I'll be checking. By the time I press it, do you know how many numbers would have dropped their phone number? By the time I'll now pick, okay, I'll pick this person, I'll put the person say, oh, I say make sure you say you have collected the data. 1,000 as small as it is. So that's at the end of the day, you will now build a crowd of people that are hungry, people that always want to collect. It is well.